So you guys, I wanted to do an unboxing because I didn't open it, but I had to invest in this because I did when I bought the Dell, the white one, this one, and this got some reviews. I just kind of just use it now to watch my shows, to be honest, on Netflix. And then after, I bought this one like last week, like this Acer, and it's been shutting down for the last day. So yesterday, I was like, you know what? I bought Apple MacBook Pro. Oh my god, excuse the noise in the background. My window's open. It's a really nice day today. So I'm gonna unbox it because it just came. It came like this box and this plastic in, and now I'm just gonna open it. You guys, I cannot believe I bought this expensive fucking, but it's just like, I feel like I didn't buy it because I don't even have anything Apple. Like, I have an S8 and an S9. Like, everything in my life is Samsung or Android or, you know, Acer and all this stuff. But this laptop, for what I do and for what I want to do, it's just amazing for creativity, like video editing and anything, like anything. So yeah, the retail value, I don't know if I want to mention that. That still kind of hurts. But the retail value is, you can look it up, it's over £2,000. Over £2,000. Okay, I'm lifting the box up now. I lifted the box like that. Oh, I wish I should put the phone down a bit, innit? So you can see me properly. Excuse the mess in my room. Busy bee. Alright. I think this is better, yeah? Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Wow. So it like comes like this. I know I don't spend money like that, you know, like this is probably the most expensive thing I've ever purchased in life. How do you open it? Okay, okay, I just want to open it and just... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Would this open? It's the touchscreen one. It's 15 inches. It's a big daddy. I didn't want the air. Guys, hello, beauty or what? Oh my god! Suddenly the price is just, I've just forgot about it. Like, I've just forgot about it. Okay, so, oh, okay. So when you lift this out, it's just, the way they present stuff is so beautiful. Like, can we just take a moment to just look at this? This is gorge. Oh my god. So, this makes me, I feel like I'm gonna end up getting another iPhone now, because, oh my god, can you imagine? Levels, mate. I went from this £200, which I actually, you know what, it's good if you do light stuff on, If you're just doing light things, no video editing, it's definitely not made for that. Nothing but like for a student laptop, for your work and for Word. And I wouldn't say for games, because it ain't got that much memory for games. I wouldn't say for editing or anything like that, but just Word and watching stuff. A social laptop, defo, £200. It's even cheaper now. It's like 119 now. I saw it the other day. And Acer is a good laptop. I just happened to buy a shitty one. But I got this for a good deal though, because this was meant to be 500 and I got it for 179. But it's just a shame. This is the reason. If it wasn't for this happening, I wouldn't have got this. So this is a blessing. I think the battery's somewhere here. I'm just gonna unscrew it and take out the battery and sell it to one of these shops and get some money back from it. I don't send stuff back. Everyone who knows me, I don't do it. I've got too much pride. But yeah, so when you turn it on, which I don't think it's got, I don't know how to turn it on. How do you turn it on? How do you turn this on? I don't know how to turn it on. Wow, this is beautiful, man. So where's the memory card going? Oh my god, where's the memory card go? That's the only reason why I already bought the Pro. Oh my god, there's no memory card slot. How can there not be no memory card slot on a £2 laptop? Whoa! This has to be a joke, right? How am I going to edit my stuff? There's no memory card slot. Oh, I have to read about this because it must be somewhere. That would be the most stupid thing. I can't believe that. But yeah, this is the unboxing. It's a very impromptu video, but where is the memory card slot? Help menu, find a dock, system, touch bar, FaceTime, touch bar, power on button. I knew it. It's dead, that's why. Force trackpad, Thunderbolt headphone. Oh my god, it's got no memory card slot. How the hell am I meant to edit my video then? Is this a joke or what? Oh, that's well pissed me off. Oh. Anyway, I'm going now. I'm going to find the memory card slot.